ano ang role ko, ano ang role natin bilang believer, bilang Christian, di ba? To be the light of this earth dito sa fallen world.
Lord, we pray na bigyan mo po kami ng tapang, ng lakas ng loob upang ibahagi sa iyo ang simpleng pagmamahal sa mga bata o sa mga nakatira sa kalye, Panginoon.
It's, I guess, 4:30 in the morning. Today's Wednesday. We're here in Moriones, Tondo, and we were about to do a feeding program, breakfast feeding program for street children.
Hindi nga kaya ng gobyerno yung ito, which is hindi rin talaga ginagawa ng gobyerno kasi ako 30 years sa government. Ibang priority, kaya ganyan tayo, kaya we should really pray for the government. Hindi ba natin maging kapantay ang Canada or US sa pag-take care ng mga ganyang bagay. Kasi kanina ako,
there is nothing like your love. There is nothing no one love. Oh, come be with us, Holy One.
then naiyak ako dahil palagayan natin.
Maayos.
Compare mo sa kanila. Yung isa, kay edad ng apo ko.
In my pain, I know you can feel it.
As I said, there are 250,000 street children in the whole Philippines. And there are about 30,000 homeless families in Manila. These are street dwellers. And it's been my outcry that churches should wake up and reach out. It's helping the orphan and reaching out the widowers. That is real worship. That is what God requires of thee, to love justice and to love mercy and to take care of the orphans and the widows. Yun yung iniiyak ko bilang bishop, bilang pastor sa maraming churches. At yun yung pangarap ko ngayon sa GFCF, sa God's Flock Christian Fellowship. That our church will be a church that is really significant. Kasi we're shouting, love God, love people, love community.
There is nothing